Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. A lot of people have been asking since I posted a video about how bad an idea it is for Microsoft to push the BitLocker encryption on everyone. And by the way, some have commented, isn't just that on Pro? Well, no, since they've pushed it for everyone, it also is on the home user Windows. So yes, it was Pro only before, but now it is on home users also. So this is something that shouldn't be, because a lot of people have no idea what's happening and that their files are being encrypted. And when they're faced with that, key that they ask for, well, they don't know what's happening and they don't know what to do. So anyways, a lot of people have been asking how to turn it off. So if your BitLocker encryption is turned on, it's very easy to turn it off. And Windows 11, all you have to do is search for encryption. Okay, start by writing encryption in the device and the search box. Sorry, and then you'll have device encryption settings. Just click here, and you will be on the page where the BitLocker device encryption switch is. So you just turn it off. Once you turn this off, your BitLocker encryption will stop and you'll be back to normal, so that the files won't, get encrypted when you turn off your PC and so on. It's easy to turn off, and it'll prevent you from maybe having some kind of problem at startup someday that's going to ask you for a BitLocker encryption key if you don't know where to get it, and so on and so on. So in this same page, by the way, you have the related settings, including a link that brings you to your BitLocker recovery key page and your Microsoft account. So if you want or need to have it, you can go through here and check out the key on your account. But for the rest, just switch this to off and you'll be fine. No BitLocker encryption problems. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.